Hey, you guys, it's Mirsky back with another YouTube video. If you guys like this video, please make sure that you give it a thumbs up. Make sure that you subscribe, smack that bell so you can get notified when I post a video. Also, if you would like to comment down below something or share this off to somebody else, you can go ahead and do that. And let's just get into this video. Okay, so you guys, if you don't already know, I feel really good today. It's snowing outside and it looks so fucking cute. Like, I wanted to show y'all. I might show y'all. Also, if you guys don't already know, I do videos on the law of attraction where we talk about manifesting your future, creating your reality. Witchy Wednesdays where we talk about magic spells and divination, and self-love Saturdays where we talk about self-confidence, being confident in your confidence and motherfucking being kind to others. Goddamn. Before we get into the video, I want to make sure that you check the description box below for any information such as how to book a one-on-one coaching session with me. Also, how to join in on my manifestation course, because I would love for you guys to join in. Where we talk about law of attraction, manifesting, creating your reality, and getting what you want rapidly and fast, and changing your limiting beliefs. If you'd like to book a tarot session with me, it's downstairs in the comment section below. Not the comment section. What the fuck? It's in the description box. And if you would like to buy any crystal jewelry or check out any other thing, is all in the description box below to my website. We're basically going to be talking about visualization techniques and how to, well, not really techniques. We're basically going to be talking about your visualization and how to get it precisely down on the first try, and how to get it to happen 100% the first time. This is the thing with visualization. I talked about this before. When you're trying to get it on the first try, you need to play the scene all the way through. When you're visualizing, somebody asked me in the comment section, they were like, does it matter if you see in first person or in third person? Because some law of attraction coaches tell you to see in first person or third person. This is what I'm gonna tell you. Do whatever feels best for you. I said this before in my videos. Do whatever feels natural for you. Do whatever. All of these methods work with each other. They work in alignment with each other. There's no if y'all hear somebody upstairs, that's my brother, but there's no one that is better than the other. It's whatever you say it is, to be honest with you. If you believe that viewing it in the third person, if it works for you, then it works. But I'm gonna tell you from my experience, third person, fuck no, I'm not doing that, because I did it before, and then I watched other people manifest what I was asking for when I seen it in third person. So because it was like somebody else, look, this is what happens when you're viewing it in third person. It's like you're watching something else experiencing it. Instead of yourself actually experiencing it. So if I'm viewing it in third person, it's like somebody else is going to be experiencing that, not myself. Just because I'm seeing myself do it does not mean that I'm actually doing it. What you actually have to be is you being and experiencing that. So if I'm visualizing something, what am I doing? I'm playing the scene all the way through. I'm hearing, I'm feeling, I'm using all my senses. I'm believing it. I'm actually feeling, because feeling is the secret. When you're visualizing, you want to make sure that you're feeling all of what is being experienced in that scene. And so when I'm visualizing something, what the fuck? When I'm visualizing something, what I do is I play the scene all the way through. I see it in my mind very clearly. I'm allowing myself to feel all of the feelings. But if you want to get it the first time, view it in first person point of view. View it in first person point of view. I'm not even joking with you guys. This is going to get it right then and there. And drop it. Drop it. Drop it. I mean, shit, after you did it, drop it. Drop it, because what you're going to do is your being is going to be in relation to what you just visualized. It is going to act accordingly, because everything is going to come to you, because imaginal acts become facts. So when you're seeing the reality in your mind's eye, eventually you're going to get the downloads, and you're going to get what needs to be done for this reality to make itself happen in your 3D. Everything is meshing together. Some things we don't even see that's happening behind the scenes. But if you get the calling to make an action or to do something, because let me tell you this, action is required in when you're manifesting and visualizing something. You don't sit there and not show up and take what the fuck you manifested. Like, some people be kind of throwing me off when they be scared to take action on their manifestation. It's like, no, you visualized it. You gotta show up and act like it. You gotta take the action on it. You feel me? Because everything is action. Like, all of this, I manifested this through action. You manifest everything. The action is required. I mean, because somebody had to make the shit. I had to get it. You feel me? Like, so when you're visualizing, and my eyebrows is looking good as the fuck today. Let me just spread that out just a little bit. When you're visualizing, you want to make sure that you're also taking action afterwards, just as well as being it, dropping it. It's you. You already got it. As soon as you have visualized it, 20 minutes, 30 minutes, however long you feel called to, I would say play that bitch out until you can't. Play that bitch out until you cannot anymore. Play that bitch out until you feel tired. When you're visualizing something and you want that bitch to come right now, play that bitch out. I'm telling you, play that hoe out. Like, see it all the way through until you damn near about to fall asleep. Like, that will have it happen so fast. So fast. Myself doing something, but you feel me? Like, and work on your visualization skills. Like, this is something that you have to build a muscle to. Like, your creative bone, you got to build a muscle to this. So you want to do and practice this like all the time, so you can get better at it, because this is definitely a skill. Even some days I find it to be like, damn, bitch, why the fuck is it not coming so clearly? But you know, even in that moment, I feel like it's still manifesting itself. You feel me? Like, because I work on it so heavily that it just becomes easier all the time. So, and basically, yeah, I mean, you want to really work on this creative bone, because whatever you see, that is going to become your reality. So please make sure that you are aware of what the fuck you're visualizing, because and it will happen. It will happen. Yeah, basically that's what you want to do when you are visualizing something, is see it all the way through. Make sure that you are playing it in first person, because I'm gonna tell you guys, first person point of view is really what you want to be in. I'm telling you from experience. If you ever visualize in third person, please tell me down in the comment section below and tell me which one worked for you, third person or first person, or did it not matter? Because for me, when I was doing it in the third person point of view, that shit was manifesting for other people. I literally watched it manifest for other people, and I'm like, what the fuck? Like, how is it? Until I took a different approach to it, and I was like, oh. Because you do have mistakes when you're manifesting. I learned that there are mistakes that you come across, but you get better at it as you progress in it. So I've gotten better, like extremely better at manifesting. So yeah, that's definitely, you know, manifesting in first person point of view has definitely helped me out a lot. If you would like to leave an affirmation down below telling yourself that your visualization powers are powerful or whatever, I don't know. I need to figure out some like affirmations to say to you guys. I'm gonna write it down before I come on here, put that into the video. But you guys, like I always say, if you like the video, please make sure that you give it a thumbs up. Make sure that you check the description box below for any information such as how to book a reading with me, and I will see you guys in the next one. Peace.